Right, guys, I'm going to end it there. Obviously, there's a lot more information, a lot more into reports and things like that, closed deals, seeing what you've won, information, everything else in there. There's a lot more to learn. There's a lot more to do. But I hope within this video, if you're still with me, that you're getting that Zoho CRM is really easy to use. It's really customer friendly. It's really easy on the app. Multiple ways to get to the same place, multiple ways to jump around. Every page looks pretty much the same. And free training, right? Zoho training, Zoho free training. Paul Nicholson. I'm a good point. Every time I do these videos, my training links don't work. The Zoho CRM Bootcamp. If you're admin, come to the Zoho CRM Bootcamp. There's going to be a lot of other lessons. Look at all the information. Loads and loads of lessons in the Zoho CRM Bootcamp. I'm going to try and make it a little bit more streamlined. If you're, as I say, if you're a new user, have a look in the Zoho new user training course. Jump into the forum. If you sign up, the first thing it'll say, you see this current biggest challenge? There's a little wizard that says, what's your current biggest challenge? So you create your first post and it'll say what you're struggling with. And I'll jump in and reply and help you out as best as I can. So I hope it's giving you a first to dive in and try Zoho, zsignup.com/CRM. Or if you're in Europe, you need to use the GDPR version, which is zsignup.com/CRM EU. I'll have had links all the way through this video on there. paulnicholson.com for training. I look forward to meeting you. Look forward to hearing from you. You cannot pay me anything. I have not got anything where anything's chargeable. You will not pay me a penny for anything. The views and the subscribe is payment enough. The adverts that you've seen at the front of this video pays me. Any questions? I'm here and you know where I am. Just fire away in the comments. We'll get you sorted. Thanks for watching.